Hi there, Supercoder! Today, we're going to make a super exciting game, the pool ball game. Here's the setup. We have a pool table backdrop. On each side, there's a court with a duck. One duck is you, the player, and the other duck is the bot player. In the center, we place a pool ball, and we also have a small bullet ball that we use to hit the pool ball. All set? Great! Let's get started. Whenever we click the player duck, the bullet ball should shoot toward the pool ball. So let's go to the bullet ball's code. Add the block move 10 steps. Click it. The ball moves, but just a tiny bit. Not enough. We want it to keep moving until it reaches the pool ball. Maybe we try a forever block? No. Now it never stops. That's not right. Let's remove that. Instead, use repeat until. Perfect. Now we need a condition. Grab the distance to block. Click it. Oh, it shows a number. Right now, it's more than 100. Let's place the ball close to the pool ball. Now it shows around 20. That means we should repeat moving until distance to pool ball equals 20. Cool! Now it stops exactly when it touches. If the bullet ball touches the pool ball, we want to send a message. So add an if touching pool ball block, and inside it, put broadcast hit by bullet. Also, we don't want the bullet to hang around after hitting, so add hide. But at the start of the shot, we need to show the bullet, and place it back on top of the player duck. So grab the block, go to player, and go and get the block show. To make sure the bullet always goes toward the pool ball, add point towards pool ball. And for some fun, add a sound. Let's say laser. Pew! Now, we still need a trigger to start this code. Go to the player duck sprite. Add when this sprite clicked. We can add the block broadcast player shoot. Then in the bullet ball code, start with when I receive player shoot. Let's test. Click the duck. Boom! The bullet shoots at the pool ball. Nice! Now, what should the pool ball do when it gets hit? In the bullet ball code, we already broadcast hit by bullet. So in the pool ball code, when I receive hit by bullet. Inside, let's make the pool ball move. Try move 10 steps. But instead of a fixed number, let's make it random. Pick random 10 to 30. Also, make sure it goes toward the bot's side. So add point towards bot duck. Now test. The pool ball moves in the right direction after being hit. If the pool ball touches the red crossing line, the bot's goal, it means the player scored. So now, inside the if touching red line block, let's decide what happens when the pool ball scores. First, the ball should disappear, so we'll use the hide block. But we don't want it gone forever, right? After scoring, it has to reset for the next round. So we'll send it right back to the center with go to 0, 0, and then bring it back with the show block. Perfect! The ball is ready for another match. Now, let's make this moment feel more exciting. When the ball scores, we'll add a little celebration effect. Watch this. We use change size by -10, so the ball looks like it's shrinking with excitement. We don't want it stuck like that, so let's give it a wait 2 seconds pause. This makes it look like it's enjoying the win. Then we'll reset it to normal with set size to 25%. Nice! It looks like the ball is cheering before getting back into the game. Okay. Alright, our player duck can shoot, but the bot duck needs to shoot too, right? So let's head over to the bot duck's code. We'll drop in a forever loop because the bot should always be checking if it wants to shoot. Inside that loop, we'll use pick random 1 to 100. If that random number equals 1, then boom, the bot decides to shoot. So we'll make it broadcast bot shoot. To keep things fair, let's add a wait 3 seconds so the bot doesn't go super crazy and fire too fast. Now, we need to tell the bullet ball what to do when the bot shoots. For that, let's duplicate the player's shooting code, so we don't have to rebuild everything from scratch. Then we'll change the trigger to when I receive bot shoot. And here's the important part. Instead of pointing from the player side, this time the bullet ball should point towards the player duck. When it hits the pool ball, we also want a different signal. So instead of hit by bullet, we'll make it broadcast hit by bullet bot. Perfect! Now both ducks can play the game. Okay, now we've got the bot shooting, But what happens when its bullet hits the pool ball? Let's fix that. We'll head over to the pool ball's code. To save time, let's just duplicate the pool ball reaction we made for the player. Now change the trigger to when I receive hit by BulletBot. This time, instead of pointing towards the bot, the pool ball should point toward the player duck. That way, it travels straight into the player's goal area.
Instead of red crossing road, make it blue crossing road.
Set the pool ball to go to 0, 0, show. Now the game resets properly every time. And if you want to polish more, add sparkle for bot wins, make the ball wiggle while moving, or even make the duck spinning when shooting. If you want the tutorial for this thing, also let me know in the comments section. And that's it! Super Coder! You've just built your very own pool ball game. See you in the next episode, and happy coding!